To find this channel, I'm a big fan of luxury designer fashion. From now on, I will share all valuable accessories such as belts, jewelry, sunglasses, watches in my channel. At the same time, any interested trendy items you guys want to see can text me via WhatsApp. Today I'm gonna share you one classic Gucci belt. For my opinion, belt workmanship is simple compared with luxury clothes or shoes. They normally made in solid colors such as black or brown, so you don't worry any color difference problem. I took a close view on the belt. The sewing stitches are quite even and low, any longer or shorter straight. There are no any dirty stains, scratches, creasing on both leather and hardware surface too. Absolutely, you can get a perfect qualified luxury belt at also big discount. For this style, size from €75 to €110. Thanks for your watching and see you in next video.